Learning to do things by myself. One morning, Ethan woke up and decided to make his bed by himself. At first, the blanket was messy, but he carefully spread it out until everything looked neat. Ethan smiled proudly. Next, Ethan stood in front of his dresser and picked out his own clothes. Instead of asking his mom, he made his own choice, and it made him feel confident. Then it was time to put on his shoes. Tying the laces was tricky, but Ethan didn't give up. After trying several times, he finally tied them all by himself. Before school, Ethan packed his backpack. He checked his books, water bottle, and lunch one by one to make sure he was ready. At breakfast, Ethan carefully poured water into his own cup. He moved slowly and didn't spill a single drop. His family smiled proudly. After school, Ethan cleaned up his toys by himself. As he put everything back where it belonged, his room became neat and comfortable again. When it was time to go outside, Ethan tried to zip up his jacket. It got stuck at first, but he stayed patient and finally zipped it all the way up. As they walked together, Ethan carried his own library book. Instead of carrying it for him, his parents smiled and said, "You're doing a great job." Their encouragement made Ethan feel even more confident. Nobody can do everything perfectly the first time. But every time we try something by ourselves, we learn new skills and become a little more independent each day. That evening, Ethan smiled happily and said, "I did it by myself." His parents gave him a warm hug and said, "Trying on your own helps you grow stronger every day." Ethan fell asleep excited for tomorrow's new adventures.
오늘도 재미있었나요? 다음에는 어떤 이야기가 기다릴까요? 구독과 좋아요. 안녕!